Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm here with another beautiful 5-star resort in Munnar, Fragrant Nature. It's a luxury property built on a hillside facing Bison Valley. The journey itself was magical. Winding roads, misty valleys and waterfalls along the way. As soon as we arrived, the staff gave us a warm welcome with a traditional tilak. The reception area was huge and beautifully decorated, leaving such a positive first impression. We were offered a refreshing welcome drink infused with Ayurvedic herbs, kind of an Ayurvedic version of Kashmiri Kawa. It was really nice and you should definitely try it. My mom is checking the spa options. If you're in Kerala and haven't yet tried Ayurvedic massages, you're missing out on one of the best experiences. As the hotel is set on a beautiful hill and offers many activities to make your stay memorable, from mountain hiking and peaceful nature walks to exploring nearby tea plantations. Each has its own charm, and I'd recommend trying at least one of them. It's a perfect way to reconnect with nature and enjoy the serene surroundings. Now let's head to the room. Since the hotel is built on a slope, it's quite unique. The reception is at the top, the ground or zero floor, and the rooms go downwards up to level -10. Our room is on the 5th level below, and the ride down in the glass lift gives breathtaking views of the valley. Truly stunning. And here we are. The room is spacious, beautifully decorated and filled with calming colors. The bathroom is thoughtfully designed too. The toiletries are luxurious. Even senior citizens will find it comfortable and safe. And overall, the space feels clean, modern and premium. We are staying in the Moonlight Bliss room, which comes with a private terrace and mountain view. There are several categories here, from standard tropic green to royal fragrant suites. But in my view, Moonlight Bliss is the perfect balance of luxury and value. The interiors are elegant, creating a calming vibe, almost like moonlight, just as the name suggests. We were also welcomed with complimentary local sweets. And here's the highlight, our private terrace. Cozy chairs, a small garden and a breathtaking view of Bison Valley. With the cool breeze and chirping birds, it feels like time just stops. We explored the hotel a bit. The lobby is spacious and relaxing. A great spot to sit back and unwind. At night, the valley view isn't clear, but during the day, it's simply stunning. Next, we stop by the resort's cafe. It feels regal, with Italian-style chandeliers, elegant decor, and cozy sofas. The bakery here is equally impressive. Even baking bread is in playful animal shapes. Such a charming detail. The resort also has plenty of recreation spaces. We played table tennis and carom, which was a fun way to spend time together. After having our breakfast, we decided to explore the gardens and valley views. To reach the 10th floor below, you either switch elevators at the 5th or take the beautiful stairs. We chose the stairs. I visited many international hotels and resorts, but honestly, Kerala's resorts have a unique vibe. Pure, natural and refreshing. Everything here, the rooms, hospitality, food, interiors, gardens and of course the views, truly explains why Kerala is called God's own country. I'm not sure if the camera can do justice to this beauty, but sitting here with cool mountain winds on your face, you just fall in love with nature. And the infinity pool overlooking Bison Valley, so dreamy, you won't even want to step outside the resort. For breakfast, they serve both vegetarian and non-vegetarian options. All healthy yet delicious. Not too oily, but full of flavor. You can enjoy a meal on the restaurant balcony with soothing music and valley views. Honestly, every corner of this place is Instagram worthy. this was my experience. So, this was my experience at Fragrant Nature Munnar. Honestly, this place is more than just a hotel. It's a complete experience of nature, luxury and peace. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. I've tried my best, but if you have, lot to me. Thank you and have a great trip.